I know you are familiar with these great products. I just know you are because you've seen them on our air, you've seen them in the community, you've heard people talk about them. I'm here with Garrett O'Neill and from Ageless Zen. And what I love is that, you know, so much of what you can do with these great products also happens at night. And if you can do a lot of that at night and sleep and let the products work for you,
sure.
Doesn't that make perfect sense?
No, exactly. You know, a lot of the repair cycle happens at night. And so what better way than to enrich your skin with powerful nutrients to do so?
Now, what really got you started in this program? I know that you had helped so many other people's products. You said, I got this.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
No, exactly. So over a decade, the company has conducted clinical research into new ingredients. Big companies have come to us to do their niche formulating. And so we've done their clinical work for testing for efficacy and safety. And all of that research that we've done, you know, we finally said a few years ago, you know what, let's do this ourselves. And that's where we brought in our own products. And so I thought for sure, you know, after spending a day at Yosemite, like you were saying,
you.
I mean, I think, you know, you're exposed to the sun, there's environmental factors. What better way to help out your skin's repair process than to use a night cream?
Yeah, I'm glad you said it, because so often, because I'm so pale, I've actually gone into the tanning beds and done all that, and I find the only way to get that repair and to actually look, I mean, I'm trying to drop those years as best as I can. A product like this certainly puts me in the right direction.
Sure. So this product is a little different than most night creams. It actually functions more like a mask, and so it's packed with ingredients like collagen, elastin, and these little connective tissue molecules called glycosaminoglycans. And what they do is they supersaturate the skin and provide it with the building blocks and the materials to increase the suppleness, to decrease the look of wrinkles and such.
Yeah, yeah.
But yeah, you know, our research into one of these high antioxidant ingredients called sea buckthorn. It's a mountain shrub, and it's known for having some of the highest amounts of antioxidants. And you know, throughout the day, you go through all of these exposures, from pollution to sun exposure, that really damage your skin.
Yeah.
And so, if you have something that you can apply, like almost like a mask.
And it's natural too.
And it's natural, yeah. So it really just helps to rebalance the use of vitamins, vitamins B, 3 different vitamins that are in here, vitamin E. So they really help. And the biggest thing is that it's all science-backed. So, you know, people can put tons of ingredients into something, but until it's clinically tested and you have some real data behind something, that's how we make our claims.
Yeah, because they want to see that they're going to get results. And since you already have proven that they will, how can they actually find this stuff?
Sure. So visit agelesszen.com. We have our new website built out. It's really easy to use. But I think, you know, the headache of going into a store and you see just an aisle full of
you're
products,
overwhelmed. It's just, no, forget about it. Yeah.
Come to our place. We're up behind the Round Hill Shopping Center. Look for the big orange vehicles. And again, agelesszen.com, or come into our store. Try out the products, see how they work for you.
It is great, because I do want to be able to throw out the cucumbers I've been putting on my eyes. Ditch those.
Eat them instead.
Yeah, right. So what would you also like people to know about your product? Obviously it's natural. Obviously they can find it locally, that's a pretty big deal. Right, yeah. They don't necessarily have to go online and mess around with that. They can meet you in person, or those over there, and then actually talk to someone about it too.
Yeah, for sure. I think it helps.
Yeah.
You know, you kind of get lost in the internet. You know, is this product really legit? You know, or
right.
down an aisle. But I think, you know, the biggest thing is that the ingredients, they're natural ingredients, but also we go beyond that. We validate our vendors, and so we look for something like REACH certification, which is a certification for
products like these, basically the good stuff.
That it's valid,
yeah.
that it's sustainable. So there's more to it than just the product. It's the ingredients and all the research that's going on.
And that's really what counts in the end.
For sure.
Garrett O'Neill, thank you so much for joining us today. All right, now let's go to Dave's Movie Minute.